Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In this video, we'll show you how Odoo 20's powerful curation and pricing features help you to hide price strategically, present customer with flexible choices, and create proposals that drive more revenue. Whether you are selling services, products, or complex solutions, this simple technique can help you to close deals faster and boost profitability. So let's dive in and transform the way you sell with Odoo 20. Let's move on to the sales module, and here you can see that I have already created a creation for my customer, uh, ASME Corporation. And here you can see that we have different sections such as the optional section, hide price, and hide composition. Now we need to just get into this. So if you just want to just manage with the options sections, here you can see that upon clicking on three dots, we can just enable the like hide, setting the options. So if I'm just choosing it as unset options over here, you can see that you can find the price as well as the individual price as well as the total price over here. But when I just set it as set optional, you can see that the price will be hiding from here. And as you just move on to the preview, you can see that um, in the website, we'll be getting the option to add the multiple options over here. You can just choose a product according to the choice of the customer, and we can just set the number that the customer just want to purchase. Okay, and you can see that the price has been shown currently. And if I just want to set the quantity as 10, you can see that now the price of the product will be changing over here. So this is the purpose of using the the option section. I mean the setting of the options in the quotations. Now let's move on to the other one. So in the sales, you can see that we have the other section called hidden prices as well as the hidden composition. Now you can see that under the hidden price, here you can see currently it's been hidden. And if you just want to set, like if you just want to show the prices, you can see the total price will be showing over here and it will be visible. But when I just choose the option hide prices over here, and you can just save the changes that we have made, and you can move on to the preview, and you can find that we can see the products over here with the quantity as well as the percentage, but the prices will be hidden from the website. Now, likewise, we can also manage with the hide composition. If you just want to manage with it, you can just move on to the sales and choose a section. And if you just want to manage with all these things, it is mandatory to set the sections over here. Now you can choose the section, and here you can see that you can show the compositions or right now over there. And let me save the changes that we have made. So currently the compositions will not be available, but we can find the total price. Now upon moving on to preview, you can see that the composition is right now hidden, and you can see that for that section the client has to make a payment of $345. But as you just move on to the sales over here, you can see that when we are not hiding the composition, the customers can view not from here. Yeah, here you can see you can just set it as like you can just move on to the other option like show the composition. And when you just move on to the preview, you can see that the composition will be visible under the website, and they can individually find the prices of each of the item from the website. So that's how we manage with the options, then hide price and the hide composition option in Odoo 20. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.